Do you want your phone not to be hanged? Watch this full video without skipping. Guys, welcome back to a new video. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make your phone not to be hanged. Some of your phones would have been hanged. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to make your phone not to be hanged. But before getting to the video, those who are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and comment and click on the bell icon. So guys, to get your phone not to be hanged, first we have to get into Google Chrome, not Google. So when you get into Google Chrome, down beside you could see three dots. So when you click on three dots, you could see history. So after clicking on history, you could see lots and lots of sentences over here. So these sentences are called browsing histories. So these are formed just because of your apps. So if suppose I have YouTube, Instagram and other apps, so everything about the apps will be stored in this. So to delete these browsing histories, at the side you could see edit and just select on the browsing histories and delete them. And if you want to delete them in one shot, down beside you could see clear browsing data. So click on that. So when you click on that, you could see, so see clear browsing data. So when you click on that, you could clear your browsing data. So I'm not doing this. You can try this. Nothing will happen. It's fully safe. Guys, you would have seen how to make your phone not to be hanged. So this can be very useful to you and others too. So share this video to all your friends. And I hope so they would also like this video. But before ending up the video, if you like this video, make sure like, share and subscribe to Technology Channel World. Thank you. Bye-bye.